Hey, it's Kaylin from Travel Yourself, and on today's episode of Where She Stayed, I am in Orlando, Florida, staying at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort at the Universal Orlando Resort. My room is a suite and it's located in the Starlight Building, and let's check it out. Travel Yourself. Once you enter the room, right away you have a small kitchenette with only a microwave to heat things up. There's a coffee maker and a nice size fridge. We also have stools here so you can sit at the kitchen and grab a bite to eat. Over here is the lounge with 2 chairs and a comfortable couch. Nice flat screen TV so you can learn about what's happening at Universal, or of course to watch anything else. Back here is the bedroom with 2 large comfortable beds, and as you can tell, this hotel has a 50s and 60s theme going on. And they've got a flat screen TV as well. Back here there is a nice sized closet with everything you need, including a safe to store your valuables. Then back here across from the beds we have a split bathroom which has a toilet on one side. Then we have the shower over here, double sinks, which is nice. And keeping in theme with the 50s and 60s, they also have Zest soap. The Cabana Bay Beach Resort is one of the more affordable properties here at Universal, and it's not connected by the waterway, but you can go outside and take a bus which will take you right to the parks. It's great for families. There's even a bowling alley. They have a lazy river and a lot of great slides in the pool area. And if you're coming here, I highly recommend you check it out, especially if you're traveling with your family and kids.